Oh yeah, we about to take this outside tomorrow. I've already tested and tuned it, but we're going to turn it on tomorrow all the way outside.
It may cause concern, why don't you listen and learn? That once was strong, but even that's turned wrong. And it's cool to look mommy and be a dummy and disrespect your mommy. Who put you on this earth? Love, this is your birth. Reward is a brainwash kid going wild. Young little girls already have a child. Bad company, and now you've been framed. Hurting and ashamed. And your mommy can't cope. Hey, little kids don't follow these dope ass rules. Your life don't drool. Don't be a fool like those that don't go to school. Get ahead and accomplish things. You'll be the one that has the joy life brings. Don't admire these. Hey, they don't admire you. Their times limited. Hard rocks too. So
Money's Car Stereo 3.0 style. We in the house. You know what people ask, what's in 3.0? Well, it's one of the scenarios you need to be here in person to hear it, to see what we're working with, or, you know, sit on my bike. But anyway, you know what happens when you sit on my bike? Usually it goes horribly bad for people. So, I'm not saying I'm the greatest at this, but I can do what I can do, you know. Money's Car Stereo. We out for the night. Get this tape off these bags. He said he coming to get it. Tomorrow, that is. All right, we out. Good night. Hey, y'all, it's Robert Money's Car Stereo. We started off the new year with a bang. Those who haven't seen the remix of the white bike, well, here it is in full effect. We street gliding for right now. Yeah, if you've seen the video on YouTube on the Big Money Rob, take a look at it. This is part 1 of a remix to come. Yeah. Nest him all the way up. Oh yeah, coming to Sacktown soon. A 3.0, another one in the house. Wait till I take it out tomorrow and let you hear the full effect. You can get the effect right now. There's the videos I've already put out about it. But you know he got that Cyclops. He can be blinding y'all at night. But yeah. And we weatherproofed him in all angles, from top to bottom, and on the tour pack. G14 classified information, you know. And so, all I can say is, loud and clear. Hey, the one is in the building. Once again, y'all, check me out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you follow me. Please click like, because you might like what you see. Or should I say, like what you hear. Let's get this new year going in, full speed ahead. Money's Car Stereo. I'm yelling next. Time to go.
It all comes full circle. Class photographs, Sandy had me on my Urkel.
Just a little turn on. Just a little turn on 3.0. New Year's Eve, giving it to you. Let you see what I see, let you hear what I hear. You know it's
so good. Loving somebody, and somebody loves you back. To be loved.
You know what he's saying.
And be loved in return is the only thing that my heart desires.
That's all. Let's get ready for tomorrow. Going outside. Yeah. We about ready to go outside tomorrow. We're going to shut it down for the night. We're going to end it like this here.
Yo, nephew. Here's some of that no limit shit. We got my nigga Fiend in the house. Sleep murder in this motherfucker. Let's all up in this bitch. Goldie Low. My nephew Silver Shaka. Oh yeah, we got something for the ladies too. Me ex, run this bitch.
Lyrical arsonist, lady alligator. Down south, hustler, former weight smuggler.
Yeah, it's New Year's Eve. I think I gotta stop, cause I can't go no further. See what else we got up on here, song-wise. All day.
Fuck with the click, yeah, all day. We to the money like all day. All day. Yeah. All day. All day, every day, living with a place, selling dope and broccoli, trying to find a better way, swimming.
Well, all day, it's all night. Good night, y'all. My name's Car Stereo. Happy New Year's, everybody. Be on the lookout for that new video coming out, The White Glide Rewired. Coming soon. Check it out on YouTube. Don't forget to click like, share, do something on YouTube under Big Money Rob. Holla at your boy. Gotta go. 12 o'clock preview on the video. New Year's Eve. New Year's Day, that is. Gotta go. This is what I mean by surround sound. Complete 360 move. Just take a listen. What I mean by that is no matter where you put your head at, it's in there. Camera right on my face.
When I move my body just like this, I don't know why, but I feel like this. I hear a song that takes me back, and I let go with so much freedom.
That's at 360. Brought to you by Money's Car Stereo. Once again, check me out on that YouTube and that Facebook and Instagram. Money's Car Stereo, Big Money Rob. It's all one and the same. Just holler at me when you see what you see. Click like, leave a comment. Let me know you're out there. Money's Car Stereo. Check me out. Oh, don't forget, new video coming out. White Bike Remix. Gotta go. Tonight at midnight. Okay, have a seat. Please, just play on, you know. Level it up. Get your volume where you want your words to be in, then bring the bass in. That's where you want your words at?
Strictly business, bitches know I get money, that's from the gate. And she can see the star off in the race. You can see the moon from the dawn.
You tell me.
Pussy, that's what we on. Bitches in their feelings, but we be off in that bag.
Is the phone all the way up? Turn the phone up.
Fucking mechanics gave me the wrench. Time to set you niggas on the
Okay.
bench. Shit, no, I'm blowing.
I get my words, I want to work.
In the face. Out of town, different places. China dolls, white girls, I think I'm racist. Fair town, cause a nigga tried to go.
Well, you tell me.
That's about the team, told him I ain't no shit.
Okay, this is what you wanted to hear. Now, let me see something. That's your people. Let me see something here. Go back over here. Let's get a part of that. So different music is recorded at different levels.
Yeah.
So this is what I was gonna.
Keep it raw, nigga, all day. One with my niggas like all day. She fuck with the click, yeah, all day. We to the money like all day. Keep it 100, yeah, all day. One with my niggas here all day. Fuck with the click, yeah, all day. We to the money like all day. That's all day. All day.
That work?
All day.
Say again?
That's why you see people on that bike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll turn you into.
It'll turn you into wanting that 3.0 right there.
Yeah, it'll turn you into that.
Yeah.
Then, like I said, we can.
All day, every day, living with a player's place, selling dope and braccolage.
I'll tell you, I just hit random songs, you know, and then like for any song that just, like say, get your vocal right first, then you bring in the other part of it. Like Trick Day is a little bit lower, so we can get a little more volume out of him, like right there. I'll tell you what's so comfortable is. That'll work. Now run something else besides your cousin's music on there.
This is who I love. This is #1 in my book.
Okay. Let's do it.
Gravity's gone, I'm floating.